We have tons of bubbles. Whoa. Oh my god, there's a wall. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am with Dee today. So we are downtown Toronto and we are visiting Hide Seek, which is a new thing happening in Toronto. It's basically, I think they call it like adult recess. Is that what they were saying too? So it's like an indoor playground for adults. There's like a ball pit, I'm pretty sure, like a locker room. Basically an Instagrammer's dream of like super cute things. So I wore some 90s clothes. I have my Instinct t-shirt on and some ripped jeans. And
classic Jenelle outfit.
Yeah, basically. And I have some more clothes in this backpack here, but I thought it'd be really cool to show you a vlog of just the different things happening in this in case you want to go. It is a ticketed event. So let's get in there and let's see all the cool things that you can check out.
Come on in.
Thank you. Okay, we are entering. Bubble trouble. First room. We have tons of bubbles. Tactile. Why can't I speak? Room 2, tactile tunnel. We're gonna go through here. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! This is so cool! Oh my god, there's a wall! Don't go straight! Oh my god! I did not expect this! Oh my god, this is so cool! This is so neat! We made it! We just learned in this slinky room there are 2,500 slinkies. So now I'm gonna go and count them all. 1, 2, just kidding. We're not gonna be doing that. It is so cool though. So we just did the just chillin' room. And now we're gonna go check out the slinky room. We got a tie-dye shirt on now. Shout out to Amy's Bachelorette for making this. We're now going into, I'm gonna call it the cafeteria. Candy?
1, 2, 3. Your booties now. Oh my god.
We're gonna run through the photos. Rooms have a nightmare nook.
Take a look and reminisce about 80s and 90s technology.
Oh my god, this is awesome. The secret room we found. There are 15,000 stars all on here. Who else remembers? Yeah, who else remembers having these in their bedroom?
Oh my god, yes.
And that is the end. I hope you guys liked seeing that preview of Hide and Seek. It was so cool. And I just saw Nicole and Amanda. They just got here as we were leaving, but they might be doing some vlogs of this too. So yeah. If they do, I'm gonna put that down below. But I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, let me know if you guys are gonna come check out this place. It's super cool. You have a lot of fun.
Thumbs up.
There you go.
Like and subscribe to her page.
Oh, I don't even have to say it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.